SUI USDT Binance chart. Hello everyone, thank you for joining. Today I wanted to analyze SUI network, and I think you'll like this one along with actually a lot of alts right now, right? It seems like a lot of them have temporarily bottomed. Do I know for sure? No, but it does look like that is the case. SUI has made a major low right here after this pivot low, and it's retested it, did a swing failure, moved up, came back down, is now retesting these levels. So if I was to pull this percentage tool, from the lows to the highs about 20%. This is about a 20% range, right? So if we go back here, you can see this was clearly support, 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 failed, and it's now resistance. So if we go ahead, drop a line right there, you can see this is clearly the next major resistance along with this level. This level right here is also another major resistance. So if we pull some fibs from the swing high to the swing lows, I'm sure some things will line up. As you can see, the 382 does line up quite well with this support. Price touched it here, failed it. So I would not be surprised if price does do, something along these lines of moving up, possibly getting rejected. Right here seems to be a support zone too as well. Might bounce down before moving higher and attacking that golden pocket. I do like SUI. I think they're going to do very well next bull market. Right now it is in a pretty big range, right? So we'll go over here to our brush tool. You'll see this is clearly the range. It's just a major range. It's just trading in. And what you want to do is get into your positions at these lows. And right now, this is pretty much as low as it's going to get for now. Maybe price comes back down. You get a better entry right on that support. That would be ideal before it moves up. But if not, right here does seem like a good spot to jump in. If you do jump in, you want to place your stops below this wick, right? So that would be at about 2% away, which is very good. I would actually even place it below this wick, right? Which is around 3% away, which is not too bad. I think 3% is usually like the max risk I would put on a position. I wouldn't trade that too often, but if you wanted to, you can do so. Maybe scale your position down so this way it doesn't impact you as much. Maybe trade with half your position, so if it does hit, it's only a 1.5% loss. But SUI is looking quite interesting. If we go ahead, zoom out a little bit, you can see it really has just found a bottom. It's just ranging. This is the low of the range, and usually what happens is price swing failures the lows before moving higher. And if we want to pull some volume profiles here, let's see exactly what's going on. You'll see the value area low is also currently right at that support, right? And what happens is once price starts to consolidate above the value area low, typically the next area which will get tested is the point of control, which is going to be this yellow line right here. And that's just the area where the most trades has happened in this range. All right, so it's a fixed range volume profile tool. So this is the fixed range, this is the volume profile, and it's just showing you where the most volume is traded, which is pretty much like a magnet. Right, so value area low is always a magnet, value area high is a magnet, and point of control is also always a magnet. So as long as SUI holds these levels, I would expect for price to just push up, test this support here or resistance, possibly flip it, consolidate here a little bit before moving higher, hitting the golden pocket, and then slowly getting sucked into the value area high. And if that also keeps on moving up higher, obviously the next area will be up here before moving higher, and then this will be the next resistance, right? So that's all I got for SUI today. Remember to like and subscribe. I do think it's at a great point to long. It is a 3% risk here on your end if you do decide to enter the trade. Remember to comment below if there's any other coins you'd like me to analyze here. I like doing this stuff, right? I enjoy this, so support me by liking and subscribe. And seriously, if you leave a comment, I will do the technical analysis within 24 hours. Okay? Thank you for joining. Later.